An intensive driving course is a series of driving lessons taken over about a week. Sounds great, right? Start learning on Monday, and by next week, you've got a license. What's the catch? Well, let's go over the pros and cons so you can decide if an intensive driving course is right for you. If, for whatever reason, you need to learn quickly and pass your driving test sooner rather than later, an intensive course may be for you. Instead of having a lesson or two each week and spreading it over several weeks or months, it's possible to cram the whole learning process into around 8 hours a day for a week. Sounds exactly like the name implies, but don't book one right away. There are some things to consider. While intensive courses allow you to get everything out of the way quickly, experience counts for a lot when learning to drive. And there's only so much experience you can gain in a week. For example, you won't get experience driving in different weather conditions or driving at night on an intensive course. So you may pass quicker, but you will be sacrificing road experience. An intensive driving course can cost anywhere between £800 and £1,500 with your test fee included. You'll likely have to pay upfront, and if you fall sick on the week of your course or you don't get along with your instructor, you probably won't get a refund. So definitely make sure you research any company or instructor before booking. And there's no guarantee you'll pass. If at the end of your intensive course, the instructor doesn't think you're ready, they won't book a test for you. And there could be crazy long wait times for tests, up to 20 weeks at the time of recording this video, which means you may be able to learn in a week, but there's no guarantee you'll be able to take a test in a week. Some courses will do an assessment lesson first to see what level you're at and to gauge whether the course is right for you. It all comes down to your learning style and whether you can take instruction well, your coordination is good, and you can learn whilst under pressure. If the pressure is going to make you nervous and affect your driving, probably going intensive will do more harm than good. But if the pressure will focus you, will make you work harder, then go ahead and book one. An intensive course is best suited for people who have some experience with basic car controls and want to get test ready quickly. For complete newbies, it's likely that having more traditional lessons and some private practice is the way to go. Research shows that on average, those who passed their driving test would have had 47 hours of lessons and 20 hours of private practice. Rather than going on an intensive course, you could speed up the learning process by increasing the number of lessons and private practice hours you do each week. Ultimately, learning to drive can be as intensive as you make it.